Hello students, as we have already studied about the Brazil's natural vegetation. Natural vegetation is related with the wildlife of the country. So now there is a direct relation between the mm, forest and wildlife. We are going to study with the help of this map. As you have already done the colors of both and Brazil wildlife question answers based on this map. So let's start the geographical explanation of wildlife. A greater diversity in wildlife is found in Brazil. Diversity means differentiating characters, means different type of wildlife are found here in the country, and there is a large diversity in the Brazil. In the swampy areas of Pantanal area is this here. This is a swampy area. Swampy means muddy area. It is full of mud. हिंदी में हम इसको बोलते दलदल या कीचड़, ऐसा एरिया है ये. Large anacondas are found. Anacondas are huge type of snakes. Here you can see a picture. Huge snakes are found here. They are known as anacondas in Brazil. They are exclusively found in Brazil only. In Brazil, guinea pigs are found in Guiana Highland. Then crocodiles are found here. Alligators are found here. Crocodile, there is a difference in alligator and crocodile. Crocodiles are known as magarmach. Alligators are called as gharial. They belong to the same family. Monkeys, pumas, leopards, etc. are found. Among the fish varieties, swordfish. It is shown here, swordfish. Why it is known as swordfish? Because it has a long type of beak type of structure. It looks like a sword. Therefore, it is known as swordfish. Then pink dolphins. Pink dolphins are found here in this area, as well as piranhas are found in the rivers. Piranhas are very dangerous fish. They are also known as man-eater fish. They are found in Amazon and other rivers of Brazil. Condors, which are huge in size and they fly high in the sky. Condors are type of birds which are found here. They are very big birds. You can find the pictures of condors in the book. So try to find out on your own which are known as the condors. Now various type of parrots are also found here. Parrots you can see in this map. You can find and you can underline parrots, macaws and flamingos are the major birds which are found in this region. Millions of insects varieties are also found here. As a result, these varieties, the wildlife of Brazil is very rich and diverse. Now about insect and all, when we study, we can find them in equatorial forest. This area where there is a evergreen forests are found, the large number of insects are found. Degradation of environment is happening due to illegal smuggling of wildlife. Slash and burn agriculture, which is known as roca. Slash and burn agriculture is practiced by the tribal people of Brazil. They clear a part of land, they cut down the trees, they burn those trees, and they mix the ash with the soil, and they do some agriculture there. But they do not remain forever there. They remain there only for 4 to 5 years, and they shift to any other place after that. So that is known as roca or burn agriculture. Because of this, these tribal people are making large of deforestation and pollution in Brazil. Brazil is facing these problems today. Many endemic species are on the verge of getting extinct Endemic species means rare species are there. They are on the line. Verge means they are on the line of end of their life. Extinct means their life is in danger because of these issues like illegal smuggling, deforestation, and because of roca agriculture. These the life of the animals are in danger. Now study this map carefully. Figure 5.4. I already gave you answers of the questions which are based on this map. Now we are going to continue in the next video about the India's wildlife. Thank you.